Alright, what's up traders? So in this video I will do a quick update on Chainlink, Swipe, Ohm and DOT. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is Chainlink versus Bitcoin, LINKBTC. Now first of all, before I start the actual analysis, I want to give a big thank you to SXPT for helping me out and sponsoring me on this channel. SXPT is my main trading exchange for Bitcoin and Forex. If you haven't already, check it out with using the link by using the link in the description below or in the scrolling text to the left of me, and use the promo code LIBS42 bonus for a 50% increase on your first deposit. So I'm gonna be quick with the Chainlink here because you probably watched my previous analysis on Chainlink. I'm probably gonna link it somewhere in whatever corner the text will pop up in. And I've been talking about a reclaim of the 140,000 sats area or a retest of the RLC down at around 100,000 sats. So right now it kind of looks like Bitcoin, if Link wants to continue to the upside with this kind of, rounded bottom here. Because we got the bounce of the 50% fib retracement right here, complement with the, these highs right here. So it's looking quite good. I'm not ready just yet. In my last analysis video I did a link, we were trading around this area right here, and I said do not long here, wait for a reclaim of this red box resistance, and that's exactly what I'm going to tell you right now. Interestingly enough though, we bounced off the RLC of this latest up move right here. I really like that. So usually when you get continuation to the upside, you will first of all come down and test the RLC of whatever move you're trading off, right? So we got the RLC right here, bounced perfectly off the midpoint of that RLC, closed up above the 618. Very nice price action right here. And I'm still looking for a reclaim of this area. Reclaim that area and we have a long play active on Link. I'm going to show you the setup whenever that happens. Let's take a look at LINKUSDT. I've also had some question in my comment, and by the way, thank you guys for all the possible feedback and all the comments. You guys really rock. I cannot ask for better followers than you guys. This is a new channel. It's growing steadily, so I really do appreciate you guys really subscribing and liking the videos and commenting on the videos. That really means a lot to me. And I've got a comment where somebody asked about I told you guys that Link were in a general uptrend, and why am Link is Link in an uptrend, and what's the underlying technicals for that? Well, it's quite obvious. Let's remove everything here. Let's look at the daily time frame here, and it's quite obvious that Link is in an extremely bullish market structure. How you measure a trend or a market structure is you look for, in an uptrend, you want to see higher lows, right? You want to see higher lows, and you want to see higher highs, right? And Link is really showing a beautiful high time frame bullish market structure with, ever since it was listed on Binance, really, it's been trading to the upside. And you haven't really lost any significant support areas ever in this uptrend. Well, obviously here, but I'm not really going to view that as that's just a crazy dump right here and you quickly got bought back up and reclaim this area. So the fact that Bitcoin, why I'm telling you guys that Chainlink is in a strong uptrend is because of the fact that you're creating higher highs and high lows. It's as simple as that. Right, so on LINKUSDT, we're looking at the same general idea here. We bounce off the 50% right here, confident with this support area, bounce off the 50 area once again here, and for LINKUSDT it's a bit different though. Because the LINKBTC pair did get reacted by this red box resistance right here. LINKUSDT haven't really reclaimed that area, so yeah, I'm looking, like I said, again, either a retrace down to, could go as low as $9, but I think the LINKBTC, I told you guys this in my last update too, I think LINKBTC is the leading pair right here. I think we're gonna have to view LINKBTC before taking a setup either on, you know, either of these two. So I'm gonna keep updating you guys on LINKBTC and LINKUSDT. Let's put more emphasis on the LINKBTC analysis right here, and we're gonna move over to and take a look at DOT. Alright, so this is DOTUSDT, Polkadot, right? And I think I'm only gonna do USDT here because the Bitcoin pair is looking very similar, right? So we did actually long this breakout move right here. So in a webinar, I think maybe we had a live stream. So one of my live streams or in the Birdnest webinars. If you guys are not familiar with the Birdnest, definitely check out thebirdnest.com. Use the link in the description below. I'm a member. I'm a technical analyst of the trading community trading group called the Birdnest, and in that group we're holding daily webinars live. Could be all from 30 minutes to 2 hours, where we explain our strategies, how we trade, how we make money in the market, and we trade live. And this was a trade that we took in the live webinar with the members. We entered right here and we are now up around 36%. So great trade. But you're probably not interested in that. You're probably more interested in the actual current price for DOT. And it's looking extremely bullish, right? I mean, there's no sign of this stopping at all. I'm gonna be looking at retracement targets for DOT for potential entries for long. But I think when something looks this bullish, I think it makes total sense to be looking at the lower time frames, like the. First of all, you don't have a lot of price action history, not a lot of price history right here. So you could use the very low time frames. Like shorting the hourly time frame on this one is like shorting the daily or the 4-hour time frame on a pair with a lot of price action, right? So I'm gonna be focusing on the 1 hour, the 15-minute, and the 5-minute on charts like this. That's how we found this setup right here, right? So right now we got a very interesting support area right here for a potential retrace. But if you look at the price structure on DOT previously, we haven't really come down and retested the breakout target. It happened here, never really happened here, and I'm not really sure if that's gonna happen here. Judging by the price action right here, you need to come down for around the retest quickly for the breakout area if you want to enter right there. So we're gonna zoom in and well, first of all, the area that I'm watching for potential entry is between 5.8 and 5.6, right? With a stop loss probably below 5.29 or something like that. But that's for a deeper correction, right? And that area is probably also confluent with the RLC. So let's look at this one. Yeah, so great, perfect. God damn you, beautiful RLC. It's perfect confluence with this support area. That's obviously gonna add some great strength to this area as support. I think great setup here. I think we have a beautiful setup right here. I would love to get in on something like this for a continuation to the upside. So that's the 1 hour trade setup. Now we're gonna look at the 5-minute to see if we can get any continuation move to the upside. So what I would be looking for in this case right here is a breakout of this level. We're gonna put a red box resistance right here, and yeah, I'm probably gonna view this as the area that needs to break. And when watching the 5-minute, you can most of the time you will see a retest, but that never happened here, right? So you had the breakout candle head, never had retest. This is also a untested area, which is good in case it's gonna be the it's gonna be the first retest the next time it tests. So the first retest also always has the highest probability of a bounce. Right now for DOTUSDT, kind of looks like it wants to break this area, which is the area between, let's pull it up, it's the area between 6.48 and 6.43. So what I would be looking for in this case is this type of setup, right? Stop should be below there, and take profits wherever this goes. We're at all-time highs, you're just gonna let it run, right? One way of letting this run is you could use Fibonacci extensions like these ones right here, low here to the high up here, And when entering here, you could take profits at you know, the could take profits at, you know, the last highs for a 2R, and then you know, maybe at the, you know, the 382 or the 50 or something like that. Use these levels. So that's what I got on .USDT. Now let's take a look at Ohm. Alright, so here's Mantra DAO on Poloniex, and this is looking good. We had you know, we got this range here, and we broke out of that range, right? Go to the 1 hour chart. We're breaking above these areas here, which is just great. We're gonna do the same thing on Ohm as we did on DOT, because it's, you know, we need more candles. We need more stuff to base our analysis on, and it price, you know, this chart don't have much price history either. So I'm gonna be watching the 15-minute here, and yeah, I mean, we could get a retrace all the way back down to this you know, big, you know, block or area, whatever we want to call it, down here. But I would view that as quite bearish, honestly. So right now it kind of looks like we want to see continuation to the upside. I would, like, first of all, this is a level that I would be watching. Right there. Now let's look at the hourly. Yeah, I think looking at the structure of price right here, I think it makes sense to play it safe here. 15-minute. We have two possible scenarios right here. Either you wait for a you know, you got this setup right here. And take profit would be, you know, could use the fib extensions like I showed you on the dot analysis, but you know, this is a possible setup on Ohm USDT. I think the safer option is to view this whole area as resistance and wait for this whole area to get reclaimed. Look for a bigger trade, right? So a break and retest of this area, and look for a more long-term sustainable trade setup on this one. So I would wait for the area around, you know, let's say the 0.60, right, for Ohm is the area that needs to break to the upside and get reclaimed for a setup to emerge on Mantra DAO. So that's what I'm watching. Something like that. I think this is you know, decent idea for the, you know, in case this runs way higher, right? So I do have a bag of Ohm. I bought it, I don't know where. I think like, where did I buy it? It's up, yeah, I don't know where, somewhere down here. It's a small bag. I'm gonna sell 50% on a 2x and just let the rest run. But really, this is what you should be looking for if you're not in this already. All right, so let's take a look at Swipe. All right, so this is SXPBTC on Binance Swipe. So like, first of all, I think Swipe is a pretty cool company. They have you know, they're most likely going to, you know, come out with some very nice news in the future, because, you know, they're really solid company, and they have a very solid idea and I think it's a solid investment, right? But we're not really looking for an investment. We're looking for a trade, right? And this could also, you know, I really like the fact that we're, you know, bouncing inside the RLC here, and we're trying to reclaim this green box here, and really, or should be red because it's resistance. The trade idea here is quite obvious, right? It's just should buy the break and retest of the red box, which is the area between 25k and 26k. Stop should be somewhere below this area. First take profit at these highs, second and third take profit. So this is actually a setup that I tried here. Never happened, and the next time I'm gonna post a setup on this one is definitely gonna be a more conservative play where we wait for the actual breakout and then long the retest. This was a bit, you know, the market was looking extremely bullish, but then Bitcoin happened, right? So right now we're getting a kind of like a, you know, W pattern here with the bottoms inside the RLC. So great potential market reversal move coming for swipe right here. So wait for the breakout and long the rounded retest with stops somewhere below this area, and take profit at each of these highs, and probably, you know, take 25% on each and leave 25% open for way higher prices. All right, guys, that's my analysis on Chainlink, Ohm, Dot, and Swipe. Hopefully you guys like this one. If you want me to do more videos like this one, just, you know, relative short videos on a couple of altcoins that I'm liking, leave a comment in the section below. And if you want me to short anything, just leave a comment with a short request, and I will gather the most commented altcoins and make a video, like a community short request video or something like that. All right, guys, again, thank you very much for watching the video, and I do really appreciate all of you guys following me and giving me, you know, all the positive feedback and everything like that. So like the video, follow the channel if you like my stuff. See you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.